Good morning, everybody. It's Wednesday, about 10 till 1. We are at our install. I brought all the guys with me today because we've got a tile tear out, and you guys know tiles are the hardest, most time-consuming tear outs that we got. So I figured all hands on deck. He's got a cast iron sink. He's gonna keep it. It's a big one. You know, these are probably 200 pounds at least. And we'll be putting a stainless steel one in, and then we've got the drop-in cooktop over here. So we'll be taking that out and then reinstalling it. Hopefully everything goes well. That's not good, guys. What happened?
No, I pulled the screw out and it just popped.
Well, you just knocked the breaker. I don't know if I caught that on video, so I guess we'll need to re-knock the breaker.
We can.
Alright, guys, I've said this in my other tile tear out videos. You want to make sure if you got tile on the wall that you pull it off before you pull your perimeter off. That way you make less of a mess. You know, you can use this to catch all the tile that comes off of there. And just like anything else we do, this is more about taking your time and finesse than it is about brute force. Almost nothing we do is about brute force. Guys, we're working on getting this perimeter out. I just made a short on it showing all the nails that are in it. Normally you want it to be nailed down instead of screwed, so you don't have to take every tile off of the top. Now it won't even do me any good to pull all the tile off the top because it's not going to make it any easier because of all the flipping nails that are in it. It's just a lot of nails, and it's been on here a long time, so it's very difficult. So we're just working it little by little as not to damage the cabinets. These we've already gotten out. Alright guys, I got this piece tore out, and it kind of lets me see what we're working with on the cabinets here, and it don't look real good. There's not really any supports anywhere. It's got one, what is that, 2x4 back there across, and a couple of little strips. This isn't even connected to anything. So, it's not ideal what you want to see. So I'm going to talk to the customer and see what he wants to do. I mean, I'll throw him some wood in there for support so he wants to go get the wood, even though that's not our job. But, yeah, I don't know. It's just not great. You can get a better view of all the nails now.
That's crazy. We definitely don't want the marble or whatever it is going anywhere once it gets on.
No, these are the nails they used over here in this brick wall. We went ahead and cut this piece of wood out so that our sink would fit in there, and went ahead and notched this here also. Put 3 braces in here, here, and here, and then we put a 4th one going from that to the floor. Alright guys, all the stone is in place. So now I got to put these seams together, of course, and finish dropping this cooktop, pull the sink up and all that, but we got a lot done. Alright guys, we're rocking and rolling now. After the tear out and the cleanup and the cutting the cooktop and all that, we're moving along pretty good now. I got this thing cleaned up, and then I got the skim coat on it. As you can see, you can hardly even see it, so I think it's turned out pretty good. And then working on this one with the Ard Wolf joint setters. These things are awesome. Those guys sent them to me just out of the blue, and I just can't say enough good things about them. You know, I still haven't charged this battery since I got it. Lord willing, I can find the charger since it's been so long, but this thing it's amazing. I really like it. I don't know why you see that line? When I'm not looking at it on the phone, the line is not in there. That is flipping weird, dude. That is just freaking weird, man. I'm telling you, the line's not on there, not on the phone. Alright guys, we got everything finished. just sealed everything and did a final wipe down just to get any extra sealer off of it. We've just finished wiping everything down and trying to clean up best we can. We had to do the cooktop cutout in here, and we had to cut on the brick a little bit, so we made a little dust. And I always try to clean up the best I can in the customer's house. I took all the magnets off and wiped the fridge, but you can still see there's probably going to be a little bit of residue later. We modified this cabinet and pushed it back. I think everything turned out good. We had 2 seams on this one. Normally I only do 1, but with the layout and the slabs, I had to do 2 on this one. I got the one here. I think it turned out real well. The goal is to take a step back and not be able to see it, and I think we accomplished that really well. And then the other one is over here. I know where they're at, so they're easy for me to find, but if you didn't, you'd have to definitely look for them and rub your hand. Undermount sink, used a stainless steel cleaner to clean it up. We used a transparent beige silicone underneath. You can see you got a little bit of a gap here where the cabinets were off a bit, so they could always run a piece of like quarter round or something under there if they wanted to. This one here gave us some problems because we got the brick inside and we had to get the cooktop to fit. So we had to do a little cutting there, but we got it. It wasn't the end of the world. So the main thing is we had a really nice customer. You know, he let us kind of do our job and work. You know, when the family come home, they was nice and just kind of let us do our job too. You know, let us use the restaurant. You know, it makes all the difference in the world when you got a good customer to work with. So, guys, I appreciate y'all watching. And if you have any questions, you can feel free to leave it in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer. I'll see you on the next one.